All right, this is notes 2.1. This is video 2, part 2. So write the function in vertex form. Currently the function is in general form, which is our ax squared plus bx plus c. And we want to write it in vertex form. So the first thing we need is our vertex. And the first piece of our vertex is the x value, which we would find with our axis of symmetry. Poor writing. We find that when it's in general form, we find that x by taking negative b over 2 times a. So our b is 12, so negative 12. 2 times negative 3. Negative 12 over negative 6 equals 2. That's the x value of our vertex. Now we need to find the y value. To do that, we're going to take our original equation right here, and we're going to just plug in 2 for wherever we have x. So in other words, we're going to take f of 2 equals negative 3, 2 squared, plus 12 times 2 plus 2. Negative 3 times 4 plus 24 plus 2. Negative 12 plus 24 plus 2 is going to equal, let's see, that's 12 plus that's 14. So 14 is our vertex. So we've got f of x equals a x minus 2 plus 14. We need to find a, right? So to do that, we're going to take, oh no, we just wanted to, oh yeah, no, we need to find, our a is right here, negative 3. We know a equals negative 3. So we're going to write it as f of x equals negative 3 x minus 2 plus 14. Oh, this is squared, keep forgetting to put that in there, plus 12. All right, same thing here. We have ax squared plus bx minus c. Same rules apply. We first need to find our vertex. So we're going to take x equals negative b over 2a. Negative 8 over 2 times 2 equals negative 8 over 4, or negative 2. Now we're going to find f of negative 2 equals 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 minus 10. 2 times 2 minus 16 minus 10. 4. Oops, this is 4 right here. So this is 8 minus 16 minus 10 equals negative 18. Now we have our vertex, which is negative 2, negative 18. F of x equals a times x plus 2 minus 18. And again, here's our a. So f of x equals 2x plus 2 minus 18. It wants us to use that information now to identify the vertex. We've already done that. So our vertex is negative 2, negative 18. Our axis of symmetry is x equals negative 2. That's our x value of our vertex. The domain and range, let's graph this really quickly. Let's go set this by 3. We're going to change the, so this is our x, this is our y. But we're going to change our scale here. So this is going to be negative 2, and then we're going to go by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, negative 18. So this is our vertex, negative 2, negative 18. Let's find our zeros. That'll help us to graph it. So our zeros, we're going to go 2x squared minus 8x minus 10 equals 0. And we're going to solve for x. Factor out 2. 4x minus 5 equals 0. X, oh, let's see, one of these is positive. This is positive. So this is going to be plus 5 minus 1 equals 0. X plus 5 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0. So x equals negative 5. X equals 1. Those are our zeros. So it wants to find, and we're going to plot those. X equals 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. We can now use that to draw a parabola. Not the best looking parabola, but much easier to find our domain and range now. Our domain, all the x values, right? So negative, not 8, negative infinity to infinity is our domain. And our range is going to be from negative 18 is our y values, from negative 18 up. So this would be negative 18 to infinity.